Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today we are going to be doing beauty haul, our first beauty haul for the year 2023. Yeah, I needed to stock up on some, most especially skincare. I needed to stock up on skincare products, and I went shopping at Macy's and Sephora. 2 boxes. So we are going to start with the Macy's one, but before we start, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get right into it. So in a previous video I had mentioned that I needed to stock up on my face toner, and yes, I did. It was luck because I was supposed to get this on Sephora, from Sephora, but something just told me go back to where you bought it from the first time, and I went back to Macy's.com and I bought it, and I went back to Macy's.com and I saw the exact same kit set that I got the first time. And yeah, this is the Lancome Clarifique, the Lancome exfoliating and hydrating duo. This is the Clarifique toner, and also the Genifique serum. So I rave about this, and even though it was a hard decision, you know, for me to repurchase it because of the price point, it is not because of the quality of the product. It's the price point that is the problem. But again, I figure that it is not something that I will be needing like every 2 months, like it goes up to 4 months, I think, because the last time I got it was in September, October, November, December, January. So 4 months. Every 4 months, that would put it at 3 times in a year. So of course it is very durable. This is the product. It is the Lancome Clarifique Double Essence. This contains salicylic acid, it contains glycolic acid, and that is why it is very ideal for my skin. As someone with oily skin, I have really seen a lot of improvement in terms of texture, in terms of the brightness on my face, and the rate at which I get either, you know, clogged pores, and yeah, it has really reduced that. So this is refining brightening dual essence, and yeah, it just does the work. And yeah, the kit comes with this with the Lancome Genifique youth activating serum. I rave about this. This is going to be my 3rd bottle. The first time I got it, the first time I tried it, this was how I got it. And when I tested this out, this is 30 ml. I went on to get the 50 ml bottle, which is what I currently use, and this one now comes with 30 ml as well. So to know that I am set for the next half of the year. So one thing I love about Lancome is that you always get gift with purchase. So I had the option of choosing either mascara or anything. I decided to go for the minis of these. Look at how cute they are, the mini of the toners. And this is just, you know, when you're traveling, instead of carrying the whole big bottle, because this is heavy. When I was traveling in December, I couldn't travel with it because it is really heavy. If this does not weigh 2 kg, it is, I highly doubt it weighs up to 2 kg because it's glass. So yeah, I decided to get these 2 minis. This is good for like 5 days use, you know, like a week worth of use if you're not going to use it with cotton pad. Of course, if you're going to use it with cotton pad, this is just maybe 3 days worth of use. Yeah, so that is it for Macy's. Those are the things I got at Macy's. The next set of things that I got are from Sephora, and they are also skincare. So let's clear this place. So the next set of things are from Sephora. These are also skincare, and that is because I don't do skincare a lot. If you can tell, I don't buy a lot of skincare like I buy makeup or perfumes on this channel. And that is because when I find something that I love and I'm using and I love it, there's no point buying too many. So this is also like a stock up buy and also replacement buy as well. So I bought this. The first thing we have here is this Laneige lip set. This is a must have. I lost my my lip balm when we were traveling. So that is one thing that I lost, and it really like made me feel bad. I'm never the one to like bother about losing things while on a trip, but I did miss that one because it showed up. Our lips were so chappy, so chapped up, so cracked, so not so good at all. So but this one I actually got two different ones. So but let's do this first. This is the hydrating set. Let me read it again. Midnight to morning hydration. So this comes with a face mask, is face sleeping mask. You guys know I love face sleeping mask, and I love this one. I just love it. But again, the big size is quite expensive, so I would rather always do the sample size or the mini size. So when you buy this kit, it comes with two other things. A very small mini lip sleeping mask that I love. So the first time that I actually got exposed to Laneige product lip sleeping mask, this was the product that I tried, and ever since I've been stocking up on them. I actually stocked up on in December, so it was the big one that I just stocked up on in December that went missing. This one is going to go back into this box because like I said, I love to have it in spare. So this is also a mask, a moisturizer, and a sleeping mask as well for the face. And this is what this looks like. This is quite different. I've never tried this one, but I know I have tried this one, and it is very, very good. Very, very hydrating. It clears I won't say clears your face, it just makes your face brighter in the morning when you wake up. So this is for current use. Let's see. The next thing that I have here is Supergoop. I'm going back to Supergoop, guys. I hate that I'm going back to Supergoop sunscreen. I love Glow Recipe products, but the sunscreen, even though I have used lots of it, I just feel like it's a hybrid sunscreen. That means it has both chemical and mineral sunscreen, but that mineral sunscreen is just so strong. Like, I don't like manipulating my face too much, and I find that I need to really massage it to work it into my skin, and that is why I just feel like they need to do something about it. So I went back to buying the trial set of this Supergoop like I always did, because it's sunscreen. You can have many different days you feel differently. So I bought this the Everyday Play 50 SPF. This has sunflower extract, and yeah, it's chemical sunscreen. It's sweat resistant. It gives you 80 minutes of wear. The second one in it is the Glow sunscreen. I've always wanted to try this. I've never tried this. So it's supposed to be tinted, like give your skin some kind of glow. That is what it says. Now if I open it, that means I have to keep using it. Yeah, so it's tinted. It is tinted, so let me work that in. But it disappears as well, and you see the glow that it leaves on the skin. Yay, I am here for this one. But this one, if you're going to do it, you just make sure you're using a matte makeup product. And this is the Unseen sunscreen. I absolutely love this one. I have used this. The Play and the Unseen are the two that I have tried from Supergoop that I love. So it was very easy for me to go back to them. And it came in this small pouch, which is, good for storage. I still have some of the Glow Recipe left, so I'm not going right into this one just yet. So the next product that we have here, so this is the exact one that I stock up on, their Valentine's Day kit, and this one is berries and choco kisses. I've never tried the choco one, but the berries is the one that this is the third time I'm mentioning this here, right? So yeah, that is how heartbroken I am. But the berries is the one that got missing. Like, this big thing, this thing is expensive. So for you to be losing a lip product that is expensive like this, know that it can pain, it can hurt. So this is for stocking up. I saw one YouTuber that is also complaining that she can't seem to find these. They sell out so fast when they release their kits. Oh my goodness, they sell out very, very fast. So and I always stock up on them. Like I do have about 6 or so in I think I have quite a lot in Nigeria if you want to order. I stocked up on my multivitamins, the daily cleanse, and the flatter me from Home Nutrition. This is a no-brainer. I love this. I've tried it. It helps to keep my gut health in check. I can eat and I can cleanse my system of whatever it is that my system does not need. This one is green algae. There is also topical algae mask for the body, that is a spirulina. But yeah, this is, if you cannot stand the smell of putting that one on your face, this is something that you can actually ingest and it performs the same function, clearing up your skin inside out. And the next one that I have is the Flatter Me. This one is just for digestive purposes. Like I said, lesser bloating, healthy digestion. It breaks down, carbs. As Africans, we eat lots of carbs and all those things. So it helps breaks them down properly. It breaks down protein. It breaks down fat. It breaks down carbs. It breaks down fiber. It breaks down sugar, milk sugar, So yeah, this is very good, and I'm about to start the mister on this one as well. He needs it. I'm going to go show him, so I probably will be stocking up on it. So the next thing that I got is this Fenty Skin. I have never raved about this on this channel, so I'm going to rave about it today. This is the Fenty Skin Instant Reset. It has niacinamide. It has what is it? Let me quickly go through the ingredients for you. But this is a very, very good product. It is my nighttime moisturizer. I bought a Fenty Skin kit, and I just realized I realized that I do my night skincare routine morning and night, and I don't use the same thing I use at night in the morning and use them at night most of the time. So I started using this one. I got this one. Is a product that lasts forever. Like Fenty Beauty, I don't know what they do. A little goes a long way. People don't like the smell. I love it. I love smell of things that gives you a very classy, exotic, will I not say exotic, but very classy smell, when you go to bed. So, and you wake up smelling that way as well. So this revives the skin overnight for refreshed glow by day, hydrates and reduces looks of pore while minimizing the looks of dark spots over time. So yes, that anything that will tell me that it's going to reduce my dark spot over time, I love it. Like I always say, I'm not in a hurry. I'm a work in progress, just like every other thing in life. So I'm very patient with this one. It's the ingredient I'm curious for. I did know the ingredients off the top of my head, but now I can't seem to find it. So it does, it has jojoba seed oil, it has niacinamide, it has black seed oil, it has watermelon seed oil, it has hyaluronic acid. It just has the very, very good stuff for the skin, and that is why I love it, and it works. If you've never tried it, there's the mini one, the one that is smaller than this. This is the 30 ml. I am saving up to buy the big one. In short, I had the bigger one in cardboard because of Ojukokura and other things that I wanted to buy. I just stuck to this 30 ml, and again, it lasts long. Like when you wear it, let me show you guys on my skin. Like when you put it on, let's do this hand. You just see this instant glow. See. This is what I'm talking about. That minimizing of the pores is why I truly, truly love it. Like my pores are significantly, for someone that has oily skin, my pores are significantly smaller than usual. So yeah, that is it. Oh, I didn't know I stocked up on this, but fine, I was able to do so. So I stocked up on my face wash. This, I'm about to run out of it. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Daily Face Wash. Again, if you're someone with oily skin, stay tuned for the video. I'm going to bring on the bring a video on ingredients that is ideal for your skin. Let me know if you want us to do a live stream of that, or should it just be a regular video. Let me know in the comment section. But anyways, this is soap and sulfate free, and which is one thing I have been leaning towards: soap free, sulfate free products for my face. First of all, for my health, it is not even ideal, most especially all those parabens, all those chemicals that are toxic for your skin and for your body as a whole. So this is the AHA BHA Daily Cleansing Gel. If you have dullness, congestion, or uneven skin tone or texture, you want, now this is what it's telling you, if you have any of those things I've mentioned before, and your goal is to have a fresh, clear, balanced, healthy looking complexion, this is the product for you. I love it. And yeah, I just talked about it again. This is a lifetime product. The last time I bought this product was over a year ago, like let's say a year, 13 months ago. And yeah, this is 225 ml. It will last you for 1 year, because a little goes a long way. And again, if you don't use the same product for day and night, it is very possible for it to last that long. So, and the shelf life for it is 12 months. So yeah, I'm about to, what I have left should last me for the next couple of weeks before I open this up. And the last item that we have here is just for splurging six, honestly. It is the dry brush for face, for exfoliation. And let me not say it's just for splurging. It's just another way to exfoliate your face on the go, like when you're traveling and you don't want to travel with all those big products, or you want something you can just put in your hand luggage, use on the plane. I need to open this. So this is a dry face brush. If you come out, it's a dry face brush for exfoliation. Dry brush rather for exfoliation. You use it to stimulate your skin when you wake up in the morning, or you feel like you want to exfoliate your face but you don't want to dermaplane, you also don't want to do dermabrasion, you also don't want to use a scrub. Now this is for you. This is going to be very ideal for sensitive skin, and it's very inexpensive. But one thing with Sephora is that they never put their price on the receipt. They only send you with return label receipts. They don't send put their price. I'm going to try to include the price on the screen, but I don't think it's more than $10. Oh, this is $14, but I mean, it's not something you buy every day. It's also not something you probably be buying every year, so long as you maintain it. So you just use it to gently exfoliate, scrub your face, just like you do with a dry brush for the body, right? It's the same thing. So when you do, you wash off your face and you carry on with your day. So that is it for this haul. Like, about time. Some of the products in here, most especially the multivitamins, I've been needing them. My face toner, I've run out of that for over a week, but I've not just been able to sit down to unbox and to do this video with you guys. So yeah, I'm glad I've finally done it and I can start enjoying my products. And thank you all so much for watching this video. Please turn on your notification if you've subscribed to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.